In south, where will the smoke face?
Wow. Traveling south.
If a train is traveling south, where will the smoke face?
The smoke. I will face maybe southeast.
Is that your final answer? We have north, east, and west. How can the smoke be facing southeast? If an
Northeast.
electric train is traveling south, where will the smoke face?
Electric train moving down south. Maybe the smoke will be going to north.
Wrong. If an electric train is traveling south, where will the smoke face?
An electric train
Yeah,
traveling to
south.
south.
If an electric train is